welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have another installation at our dealer's workshop, Exclusive Marques. And today we have another first in Malaysia project, the 2018 Aston Martin Vantage, ready for FI exhaust upgrade. And this is how the Vantage sounds with the stock exhaust before we upgrade it to FI exhaust system. So the 2018 Vantage has the 4-litre V8 twin-turbo engine from Mercedes-AMG, same as the one that found on the C63. And now the mechanic is removing the rear bumper before we can fit in this beautiful FI exhaust Catback system for the 2018 Vantage. We have removed the rear bumper out from the Vantage, and this is how the stock exhaust system looks like. We will be replacing from this section all the way to the rear muffler, and the secondary cats over here will remain as original. This FI exhaust that we are going to fit on the Vantage later is made out of stainless steel, and also the owner has upgraded to this carbon fiber tips. This is the stock mid pipe, so you can see that it has a H pipe design, and this FI exhaust will replace the mid pipe with this X pipe design. For the valves, we'll be using back the original valves motor, transfer from this stock exhaust to the FI exhaust. We have completed the installation of the first 2018 Aston Martin Vantage with FI exhaust. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about the new exhaust sound on this Aston Martin Vantage. Remember to like and share our video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents.